So YouTubers, this is Richie's machine. He's got a John Deere 240.
Yeah, it's a Kawasaki motor in it, one cylinder. And we've got the John Deere wheel weights that I ordered with it.
How much weight? How much in the wheel weights?
50 pounds each, one on each side, so that's 100 pounds. This is 125 pounds of lead weight I made. And there's 4 of these 50 pounders down here, so that makes another 100 pounds. Then you got me sitting on a seat, that's another 200 pounds. So that means I don't spin, them wheels don't spin, it just pushes.
2 link chains AC.
Yeah.
Works good.
The tool gets up in the front here a little bit. You just turn this handle and you push and pull and you turn that plow any way you want. It's got different stops in it. So you don't have to get off to angle it. You could go one way and then you come around and you go the other way. You get up to there, you come around and you could just keep pushing it. I put that extra flap on there so it doesn't get all thrown up in the plate in the front here.
What's that, conveyor belt?
Yeah, it's just a conveyor belt that I put on there. It's a flap.
Works good. Keeps it from throwing it up on top of the machine?
Good. It's got, if you want to use them, but I don't use them, it's got built-in skids. You turn them around and then you can keep the blade up a little bit if you'd like. And it has the springs on here. So if you hit something heavy, that blade trips right down flat, so you can't break anything.
Right.
Which I think is a good thing to do. And it's got a Kawasaki engine on it. It's just single cylinder. This is about 20-25 years old now.
Is that right?
I try to keep it pretty clean. I try to keep it all up. I do everything myself on it. And I keep it inside. I don't put it out and leave it in the rain. And I'm real tickled pink with it.
25 years old, huh?
Yeah. And they don't make this model anymore. Everything now is much cheaper. And I like it too because I had to put one of these on it. So this way, if anybody gets in the way or somebody's going too fast, I can just blow at them and have a little bit of fun.
Well, I know you have a lot of fun with it, Rich.
On it.
Very good.
Put this trailer hitch up here on here because I got a wood splitter. And too much trouble to push it by hand, so this way I can pull it out and split my wood, and then I can pull it back in the garage and keep that clean. Got a nice little toolbox on it, which comes out very handy. Nice little, I keep my few little tools in it, and an extra different size ball for the hitch. And they make them now with a cup holder on it, so you can have a drink. How the heck could you drink with all the dust and everything if you're mowing grass or something? Oh no, the grass getting in it. I mean, that's ridiculous. I'd rather have a toolbox. That makes more sense. So
you got 4 50-pound weights on the wheels.
2.
2.
One each side. That's
okay.
2, 50 pounds. That's 100.
That's 100. Okay.
And then I got 4 underneath here. Other separate ones.
4 suitcase weights, right?
Yeah, they have 50 pounds each. And this I made up. I poured out of wheel weights, made the lead weight. That's got to be 100 pounds, probably 125 pounds. And then I sit on it, and that makes it another 200 pounds. So it
stays on the ground, that's for sure. It's not going.
Them wheels don't spin.
It ain't going anywhere. I think a lot of guys are afraid to put weight on the back because of the transmission. They're afraid they're going to damage it. But you've been doing this for 25 years.
Yeah.
And
I have never done the transmission or anything.
Never had any problems with it.
Not yet.
Very good.
Not yet. If I do, I'll put a new one in it myself. I won't have, because I don't want to take it to anyone to mess up the machine.
There you go.
I like to keep it looking halfway nice. The lawnmower bags rub up on here when you lift up the hatch, and that's why that's like that. I have to paint that again. That's not looking good, is it? I gotta make this thing look cleaner.
Hey, for 25 years old, Richie, this looks pretty damn good.
So that's my toy.
That's your toy. Well, it's a good toy.
And it's gasoline, 1 cylinder.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Very good. Listen, I'm going to go, Rich. You need anything plowed over there? Not much over there?
I'm good over there. I did all them driveways up there.
Okay.
They're good. I did this driveway over here. I did this whole court, by the way. I just ran up and down.
I know. I was with you, helping you, but you got to jump on me.
You still going or what?
Yeah, still going.
Okay, we're done.
We're done. That's it. Rich has got to finish.
I got one more neighbor over there to do.
Okay, Rich. Take care, and we'll see you in the video.
That sounds good, Paul.
Okay. Take care, Rich.
It's a lot of fun.
I have fun too.
I love it. Okay. That's what happens when you can do when you're retired and you're 77. You can still get out and have fun.
Well, when you're 64 and you're retired, you can have fun.
All right, let me get on the seat. I'll crank this baby right up. Okay, off we go.
There we go.